Grandma!
Turn right onto West.
Grandma! How you gonna be doing that, Grandma? Man, I hope you're okay, man. Yo. What is up, guys? JAMAICA'S came here with another reaction. And today, guys, we're here with Best of Idiots in Cars at number 5. Alright? Best of Idiots in Cars number 5. We're gonna react to this one and see what the hell is going on the streets of rare varieties in the world. So let's fix our microphone and jump straight into the shenanigans. Do this, then do that. Let's go.
At least 130,133, the new death toll from COVID-19 in the United States after hundreds.
I would have been so mad if someone did this to me, really. Where you go? Where the hell are you going, bro? What make you think that you could have made that? What made...
130.
Are you drinking weed? Are you drinking coke? What is wrong with you, bro?
33, the new death toll from COVID-19.
No, at this point, I would have been dragging him out of the car.
In the United States after hundreds more people recently lost their lives. The CDC also confirming nearly 3 million cases of infection since...
So he doesn't stop either. That's even worse. What's going on here? Oh, I thought he got away with it. Oh my God.
Free at Wendy's. Free Friday and Saturday. Free August 13th and 14th. Yo! Hold.
All because of one exit? All because the exit come up to... Oh my God. You're gonna do that? Carry on to the next exit, bro.
Free at Wendy's. Free Friday and Saturday.
Madness.
August 13th and 14th. Yo! Hold.
You still made the exit though. Whoa! You made the exit. At least the guy that witnessed it stopped to actually give this guy the footage, hopefully, so they can have they can give it back to the insurance and or even to the police. That's good.
一自由咗就開始放縱自己。
哎呀！
你與其揾呢種，不如揾一直喺。
咩事啊？
直喺。
Let me see something.
哎呀！
So it's green light.
你與其揾
That's why I just checked. So it's green light still. It's still a green light.
呢種，不如揾一直
Yeah,
喺。
green light. Yeah, it's committed. And even when they pass the line, it just turned orange. So this car is definitely wrong. Definitely wrong. Because look at this for them. It's red. Red for them. So... Fix this green screen. Alright, let's go.
我頂！
Oh, one of those idiots. Just like the first clip. One of those idiots. Yeah, exactly. Why?
Dude, this guy, I got that on dash cam. Go home.
He doesn't even stop. The guy that done the accident doesn't even stop. What's wrong with these hit and run guys, man? Okay, so Scotiabank. Is this America? I see a Scotiabank here. I know we have Scotiabank in Jamaica too, so I'm taking it. Is it like America? I don't know. Let's check. Let's see. That light is green. I don't know. I don't know. The red car should have waited here until it's his turn to actually go right. I think. If I'm wrong, let me know in the comment section. I don't know American rules. Because I know that in some states or in all the states you can turn right on red. Is that so? Never been to America, so I don't know. Okay. As a driver myself, I skim. I call it skim. I use the term skim because I look far ahead of me. So I could be driving here, but I'm looking all the way at this car here to see what is going on. I'm just, you know, looking around. I'm not there looking at this, but I'm looking that distance down here to see what obstacles in the way.
Oh my God.
Oh my God.
Oh,
Turn around and
wow.
win. That was deliberate. That was on purpose. Yeah, that was on purpose. Look at this. Yeah, that was on purpose.
God.
Turn around. Straight around. That was on purpose.
Oh, wow.
That was on purpose. That was on
Got
purpose.
that all off camera. Holy.
That was on purpose. So this guy said, I got it all on camera, but you didn't even stop, bro?
All
Come on,
off
bro.
camera.
You got it all on fucking camera, but you didn't even stop, bro? You could have at least stopped there, bro, and even check if this person is okay.
Holy.
Because I bet he, if it was him in that situation, he would like someone to actually stop who see what happened and see, at least check if he's okay or if he's got family on board or whatever. But he didn't stop.
Oh, that's why I'm not blazing through here. Hang on.
Oh. Oh!
Are you guys all right?
There's kids in his car too. There's kids in his car. The first thing he says, "Are you guys all right?" And you hear the girl say, "Yeah."
Are you guys all right? Are you okay?
Yeah.
What the? Some people, man. You know what? I'm quite surprised I haven't seen a lot of bike clips on these videos. Ooh, what the hell just happened there? What just happened to this one? Okay. Boom. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, that's two kind of right off. My boy reverse. Reverse, yes. You know what I want to cheat car, bro. Reverse. You don't want to do that to a truck. You do not want to do that to a truck. You're gonna be fucked. You're gonna be fucked. Yeah, you're gonna be fucked. You're still getting fucked. You're still getting fucked. A truck is not gonna stop like that, bro. Oh my God. Look at that. What was in the train? Silly guy. Yeah. Now look at the truck. Look at the truck. Only thing the truck have is a flat tire. Is this tank damage? Lightning damage. Yeah, bumper is damaged. Yeah. That's quite bad. That's quite bad. What's happening here? Alright, I'm gonna challenge myself to see if I can spot what's gonna happen before it happens. Let me see. No, I can't see nothing yet. Oh, I didn't expect him to do that. He's not looking at the road, is he? He's not looking at the road, man. Look. Boom. Boom. Oh my Jesus. All the drivers, man. All the drivers. Big up all the drivers, though. Okay. This car's gonna stop. And this guy's gonna slam right into it. That's my... Or this guy's gonna brake. This one here is gonna brake. And then this one is gonna go over there and try to swerve, and then it's gonna do something damage. But this car is definitely involved. I have a feeling. Let's go. All the way around, bro. Look where this car ended up. You can't see it. Look where this car's ended up. He never even stopped. He never even stopped. That's the worst part. When a person create damage like that and don't stop, that pisses me right off, man. Ooh, boom. Yeah, I see that. How? How? Let's spin it up. Let's drive off. Left your bumper though. Oh my god. People, man. Some people are just crazy out there.
Stay full, nigga, skip the bull, cause we mad at doors. Snatch the P89.
Oh!
Oh my god. God.
Hey? Something must wrong. If you're the only person that's leaving out here, you don't look around, you see that there's no one else? These guys just keep going. They're not even stopping. Yo. Yo, bro. Relax. Rexing dash cam.
What is his name? I gotta call Mary because I know Pooh told her. Car just hit us, Bob.
Oh, they're okay. What's gonna happen here? So this is rear cam. Look at this idiot.
Oh. My goodness.
Is it your fault or his?
Testosterone.
Is it your fault or his fault? His fault, not that. Whoa! Wow! Was he overtaking? He must. I think he overtook and lost control. And you should be overtaking on double lines anyway, idiot. Exit, entering the freeway. So this guy's indicating going right. They're going right. He's missed his turn. He's trying to go right too. Wow. It didn't stop? You don't feel that? You don't feel that? Oh, of course you did. Of course you feel it. Of course you felt that. BMW driver. That's me. I'm a BMW driver, guys. Oh my god, you're giving us a bad name, G. You're giving us a bad name, man. You do not deserve to be on the road. Drunk.
So don't take a chance with those other guys. They're on a better breakfast with Wendy's bacon or sausage, egg, and cheese biscuit.
Right in front of the police. Whoa, that could never be the Look at this.
Sausage, egg, and cheese biscuit. Choose wisely.
Right in front of the officer. Right in front of the officer. The officer, yeah, secured the scene really fast. Well done, officer. No, that was what? Look.
Oh.
You know what I like also? You see this guy music is playing until the accident happened. You see what he done? He turned off the music. Have you ever been driving to a place or looking for somewhere when you're driving and your music is loud and you turn on the music just to see where you're going? Yo! Look.
Oh.
He's trying to concentrate. He turned the music off. He's trying to concentrate to see what's happening. Yo, this is what this. Oh, yeah. This person that came over. I think the person with the camera is wrong. I think. Cause look, he's driving in this lane normally. This guy's coming up. Yeah, definitely. So cameraman, you're wrong. I'm giving you the wrong, sir. 100%. Show enough. Oh no. BMW again.
Some problems with clock. I did. So as much as I like it and it's cool.
Oh, what the hell?
I'm not gonna lie, I kind of felt like,
So, okay, it's got... Is that a Tesla? Is that a Tesla? See?
Yep.
I was having the same conversation today. If a car hit a truck, it's very hard for the truck man. Depends how big the truck is. It's very hard for the truck to even realize that somebody hit him. Look at this. Didn't even feel it. Sorry, didn't even feel it.
Yep.
He didn't even feel it. The truck man didn't feel it. Sorry, excuse me. Yo, the truck man didn't feel that. Look at this idiot. This idiot. Okay. Come on. Oh, you idiot. You idiot. You're not going anywhere now, are you? You're not going anywhere now, are you, sir? You fool, like. And he kept going. Oh, did he stop up there? Oh. Nice. Fuck your day up. Big time. Fuck your day up. Big time. Look. Fuck your day up. Big time. Oh, so there's two camera handles. Okay, that's pretty cool. It's pretty unlucky. So what's the old lady as well? Oh, grandma!
Turn right onto West.
Grandma! How you gonna be doing that, grandma? Man, I hope you're okay, man. Oh,
Stay
man.
with you as you head through Tustin and into Santa Ana. Very slow traffic through there. Then on the southbound side, just past LaPaz Road, we've got a traffic hazard reported. So, of course, CHP is on the way to check it out.
No, that wasn't cool, was it?
It's a stalled car.
That wasn't very cool, was it? God damn it, man. It's never got another accident.
Pass Avenue on the 134 eastbound, little westbound spectator.
You win more in Vegas. Like,
Do you really?
I normally do. Like,
I think I need to get the dash cam.
do like so. Last time I went to Vegas,
I think I need to get the dash cam with
I
my car.
went with my partner.
I gotta go. There is.
The truck. Whoop. He just turned around. Look at the other way. Oh my god. Crash. Black car gonna hit. Let's see if he's gonna hit. Let's see if he's gonna hit. Whoop. Yeah. Yeah. This car here is wrong though. Wrong. At least he stopped. A lot of these idiots don't stop. Red car.
Jesus Christ. I'm sorry, Gaga.
White car. This car here is wrong.
I'm sorry, Gaga.
The car that comes from the left is wrong. Wrong.
Oh my God, again? Oh my God.
In the base. bass down to hear what's going on, bro. Turn your bass down to hear what's going on. Guys, you need to start buying better cameras so we can get better footage. We want cleaner cameras. Some of you got cameras. Some of you guys have cameras like it's a Nokia 3310, man. Come on, get some cameras, man. What just happened here? I didn't even see what happened. Oh, that happened. That happened, literally. Oh, gosh. Ooh. Alright, carry on. So it's snowing. It's well, it has been snowing. There's no one on the side of the road. Someone hit them. Someone hit them. Ooh. Ooh. Okay. Ooh. Okay. Snowing again. Ooh! Eesh. Eesh! I thought he could have got away with that. I thought he literally got away with it. Okay, didn't get away with it. And he's got passengers in the car too. Putting people's life at risk. For what? To show off with the little idiot friends him? Come on, man. What's gonna happen here? He's not looking. He's gonna pull out. Of course he's gonna pull out. Of course he's gonna pull out. That white car is driving a bit slow. Okay, this one is raining. Someone's gonna come. Oh, here we go. Ooh. Yeah. Exactly. Don't do that. Don't do that. Do not do that. The truck is gonna squash you. The truck is gonna kill you, bro. Don't do it. Don't do it. Don't do it. The truck can't feel you. The truck can't do anything to save you right now. You idiot. You absolutely idiot. Don't do that. Look at this. Look at the second cam. What the hell, man? Ah, that's not gonna save you, idiot. Let the truck go. Fucking idiot on the road. Just let the truck go. Once I see a truck, I just let them go. Look at this. Now stop. Now stop. Won't stop. Now stop. Won't stop. Will not stop. Yeah. A red light. Oh. Okay. Someone's going to the liquor store. Ooh. Okay. Okay. It's another one. Okay, guys. I'm sorry that the video is so long. Of course, this was a long reaction, so I'm sorry. If you get to the end of it though, please leave a like, also subscribe around here if you're new, and I'll see you in the next one. Let me know which videos you want me to which kind of videos apart from music videos you would like me to react to, and I will do so for sure. So guys, see you guys in the next one, man. Peace out and be safe on the roads, cause there's some idiots out there on the roads. Alright? Peace.